Today we're going to talk about 2 mistakes to avoid when starting seeds indoors. The first mistake is assuming that a south-facing window is going to be enough light for your newly emerged seedlings. Now, if you notice, these seedlings look fairly healthy, but some here in the back, these tomato plants look a little long in the stem. Call that leggy. And if you watch some of my previous seed starting videos, you'll see that a lot of my seedlings were leggy and spindly. It's April, and I live in New Hampshire in the northeastern United States, and there's just not enough daylight to support these seedlings. So I'm going to put them under a grow lamp. That is the solution. And that leads to my next mistake, and that is not putting them close enough to the light. And I did that this year, and that's why those tomato plants are a lot longer than I would like. So the solution to that is to boost them up. So just find something that you can use to prop up the plants so they're closer to the light, and that will solve that problem. So I just started doing this, and I think it's making a difference.